How to use sales letter headlines to help you craft solutions. So I referenced a point earlier of how we can use solutions from other industries and bring them to our industry. So assuming I wanted to create and sell a product in internet marketing, I could still use other people's sales letters to give me insights. So this is a woodshed plan offer or a woodworking plan offer. How could I ever possibly use this to get me to give me ideas to solve problems for internet marketers? So this is the headline here. At last, woodworker reveals a secret archive of 16,000 plans. Could I do, at last, internet market reveals his archive of 16,000 internet marketing plans? Maybe not that deep, but I could reveal quote unquote traffic plans or social media plans, just like he's doing woodworking plans, and approach it from that type of focus as well. And by the way, that's a unique way of providing a solution, which is part of our criteria that we talked about. Here's another one. Most brownies make you fat, but I've got a quick and simple recipe for you to enjoy delicious fat-burning brownies. What's the equivalent of that in internet marketing, right? Most shiny objects give you distracted and broke. However, I have a simple fix so you can enjoy shiny objects in a way where you don't have to pay for them and you can make money with them. And by the way, that solution could be showing how to find them, the sales letters, to create problems and come up with solutions to those problems, right? Just an example of how, in this particular case, the underlying issue here is the problem is they can't resist something that is bad for them. How do we take that concept and move it over to a different unrelated industry? Here's another one. Now, I like this one, by the way, because now we can get very creative here. This isn't all cut and dry. There's a creativity that's required on your part, but take a look at this. This is for a soccer drilling product. Let this All-American former pro soccer player show you exactly how to drastically improve your touch, shooting, dribbling moves, and gain masterful soccer skills. So what I thought about this here is one specific problem. What are the facets of it? So problem, and then in this case, poor touch, not good at shooting, not good at dribbling, lack of moves, and that's depleting their overall soccer skills, right? So internet marketing is what's one specific problem and what are four facets of that problem that people could be weak in. So you can say, here's your problem, and we're going to focus on improving A, B, C, and D related to that problem. That could potentially be exciting to create a solution for.